Hey guys, welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and we're back in the 4K production studio here, and we have a special video for you today because these guys right over here across the street, Rich and Trish, gave me a Eufy 11S robotic vacuum to check out because they couldn't get it working. They said it's all yours, so we're going to check it out today on Supercar Street Racing. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing, and today we have a very special thing for you, and that is our neighbors Rich and Trish over there gave us a Eufy robotic vacuum. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with it, so I was like, yeah, I'll take it and see if I can get it figured out, and they said you can have it if you get it working. So today we are going to be taking a look at that. I got the vacuum right from them, and when I would plug it into the charger, it would just flash orange for a couple of seconds and then go solid red on the actual vacuum. I did some research on this and I found out online that maybe the battery will be dead, so I ordered a new battery from Amazon. That came in the very next day, and what you're about to see right here and right now is what happened after we put a new battery in the Eufy 11S RoboVac. I hope you enjoy it, guys. Amazon just came and delivered this wonderful new battery, so we are going to be replacing that right now. It's as simple as these screws right here. You pull this battery up, and then there is a little clasp on this thing that allows you to pull it right out with one hand. No. These names are amazing. We have the Mastima battery installed, and now all we have to do at this present time is get this cover plate here and put this thing right back on. And it has these convenient little flaps to help you take the battery out and make it very hard to put the battery back in. But you should just be able to do this. And now you take your two screws and place them right back in there. And this battery was $20, and I will link it in the description. And that is that. Now we get to see if our free vacuum cleaner actually works by placing it on the charger. Interesting, no power. I don't think that works. And there is now power to the charger, so let's place the Eufy on its charging stand. Maybe. Let's see if that goes red or stays charging. It is charging, so the new battery has seemed to work to revive the Eufy vacuum cleaner. Let's let this thing charge for a while. While the vacuum's charging, we might as well get the remote done. I was going to clean it, but I can't find any cleaning utensils there. Got some Windex here. Go ahead and clean this guy and probably replace the battery. Get us some paper towels going here. And we'll give this guy a nice cleaning and replace the battery. Got some brand new fresh Amazon batteries going into the remote for the Eufy. It's going to love its new power source so much. And flip it over, and we can see that it is working again. And it has some stuff on here from me cleaning it, but yeah. The time is wrong. I see that. Don't know how to set the time and stuff on this. I'll have to get the instruction manual out and figure out how to use this guy right now. All right, guys, we got the new battery installed in the free Eufy vacuum, the 11S, and it has gotten now to a blue hue, meaning that it should be charged. So let's see if our trick did it. Let's see. Okay, it's working. Totally working. So our new battery did the trick for the Eufy 11S vacuum. Let's see what it can do. Alright guys, you just followed the brand new old Eufy 11S RoboVac all around my house. And it did amazing and came back to the base to charge. And it usually takes about 2 hours to charge. I have figured it out by now. And this was a come up from Rich right over there, my neighbor. All we did was replace a $18 battery or $19 battery, and this thing is rocking. And now we have to figure out how to clean it, change the filters and all that stuff, but I think I like this thing. And it's going to stay in the Supercar Street Racing headquarters. Maybe we bring it into the Supercar Street Racing studios and let it clean. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will have a separate video with you riding on the vacuum cleaner for a cleaning frenzy on Supercar Street Racing.